Jason, this is a quirky beast. Apparently it's had an absolute fortune spent on it. Tell us a little bit about it.
It has. This is a 1960 Chrysler 300F, and we've got receipts for well over $200,000 that have been spent on it, and it shows. I mean, the car is beautiful. It really is something that I think people need to see to believe.
Absolutely. You've got to come and see it in the flesh to really appreciate it. I mean, even to the extent where the two seats in the front swivel to allow you to get in and out.
I know. How good would that be today? You pull up at the cafe and just swivel on out. So yeah, it was probably state of the art for its time, and yeah, a very, very rare car in Australia. When I started here a few years ago, I'd never seen one before.
I'd say it would be a rare car in America too.
I'd say it would be exactly that. It really is just a beautiful, beautiful car.